Hello, it's your girl Aisha Beau here and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm gonna be doing a stretched out twist out. I haven't done a stretch twist out in so long and I actually don't even remember the last time I did a regular twist out. So I'm switching things up all the way today, and as y'all know, I got the Dyson Airstrait and I really love how this blow dries my hair and gets it relatively straight. So I'm gonna give it a go and do a blown out twist out and see what it's giving overall. All right, so as you can see, my hair is sectioned off. I washed it and detangled it in the shower. Y'all know I'm the detangle queen. I'm very big on making sure that your hair is detangled and doing so several times throughout the process. It just makes the style look even better, last even longer. I'm gonna kick things off with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. I decided to do a spray-on leave-in conditioner today because I don't want my hair to be super weighed down when I'm doing this style. So I feel like this, as opposed to a cream, is gonna be a little bit more beneficial. I'm gonna be using a cream when I actually twist my hair, so this is going to give me a little bit more like slack, for lack of a better word. So I actually won't be talking that much in the video. I know I'm a chatty Cathy, but today I'm feeling kind of tired and I just wanna catch up on a sermon. So I'm gonna listen to a sermon and do my hair in the process. But before I, put this thing on silent, I do wanna note, if you are seeing this video and it's your first time seeing one of my videos in a very long time, please don't go in the comment section and say, welcome back, I've missed you, welcome back, because I've been around and I've been posting weekly for the past several months. I don't think people are seeing my videos as much as they used to, and it seems that only when I'm sharing a hair video is when people actually can see it. So if you're seeing this for the first time in a while, or if you're new to my channel, I would behoove you to take a look at the other videos I have to offer, the other types of content that I have to offer on YouTube, because I am so much more than just hair tutorials. I promise you, you will be entertained. You will really enjoy the other content that I have. I want you to know that I'm more than just a hair vlogger. Please watch my other videos. At this point, I'm begging you, because I know this video is gonna get way more views than my other ones. So please check out my other videos, leave comments, like them, share with me your thoughts on what types of videos you think I should do. I have really made an effort to be active again on YouTube, and I'm seeing that my audience here only watches my natural hair videos. Please check out my other videos and get to know me outside of just natural hair tutorials. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. With that said, let's get into the styling process. So as mentioned, I'm gonna be using the Dyson Airstrait. Actually, I realized I need to turn it off so that you can actually hear me and I'm not screaming. But as mentioned, I'm gonna be using the Dyson Airstrait, and I wanna reiterate, this is a blow dryer. It looks like a flat iron, but it's a blow dryer. So there is air that actually goes through it to help to bring my hair from wet to dry and straight. Quick reminder on how exactly it works. This area right here on the outside, it blows air out, and this is kind of like a diffuser, and I'm gonna use it to dry my roots first so I can stretch my roots out and make sure that they're not puffy and clumpy, and we wanna make sure that the hair is nice and flat. After that, I'm just gonna go through with my hair in the Airstrait and just take my time going down, and it's just gonna dry it that way. Super easy, super simple. I cleaned it first. Now it's taking it from wet to dry. So we're gonna go. So when I close it, it did. Okay, you wanna make sure you have a lot of tension, because that's gonna help to make that as straight as possible. Combed it out. I just realized I forgot to put heat protector on. Luckily I haven't done anything yet, but I'm gonna be using the Tresemme heat protector. Spray the ends, spray the top of it, just to make sure my hair is in good shape. I always try to take my time with it so that I don't have to do like 80 different passes. The hair is growing after my cut. I cut it last year. I cut it like last February. So I'm happy to see some growth here. Okay. So I finally finished blow drying my hair. So my hair is completely stretched out, blown out. It is 100% dry. And now I'm going to section it off and then I'm going to twist it. All right, so I have my hair split off into 5 different sections, as you can see. And I'm gonna start from the back, work my way up to the front like I usually do when I do a regular twist out. And the cream that I'm gonna be using to style my twist out today, the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that this is like my go-to cream for a regular twist out. I just love the moisture that it gives my hair and the fact that it makes my hair look super shiny. So I didn't really think about the size of twists that I want to do. I don't think I want to do them super small because I already spent enough time blowing it out. I want to mainly just give it like a nice wavy look to it. So I'm gonna maybe do like some medium twists. Let's see. I don't think I've ever done it like this thick, but I feel like I have a good enough twist out technique where I can make it like nice and tight and look really defined. Let's get some of that product onto my hands and comb it through. All right, so I'm done. It took me many hours, but I am done. Okay, not many hours. I think it took me in total from blowing to twisting, maybe about two and a half hours, if I'm being very real right now. And I'm hoping that it's worth it. So my hair is completely twisted and I am just going to let this air dry overnight and throughout the rest of today. And then tomorrow I will take it down and see what it looks like. I'm hoping that it's just like a chill, like wavy type look and that it looks decent. So we'll see. All right, hello, it is the next day. My hair is fully dry, my face is beat. I am gonna be shooting some content today, so I just put on some makeup ahead of time and I felt like it would complement the hair now that my hair is done. I'm excited to unravel these twists and to just see what it looks like. I did a light dusting of the ends. Like I just did like a teeny weeny little trim of the ends on the twists. And I mean, I don't think that's gonna make much of a difference, but it just made me feel better in the moment. But yes, so they dried really nicely. My hair looks very, very shiny, which is great. It makes me happy, so that lets me know that my hair is moisturized and that it is hydrated. To keep that hydration going, obviously, I'm going to unravel my twists with some oil. I'm gonna be using my favorite, the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength oil, and I'm just gonna put some of that in my hands, and then I'm just gonna one by one take out each of these twists. This ain't Texas. Clearly I'm listening to the Beyonce album as I do my hair. All right, so I've taken my twists out and they are so defined, beautiful. I love it, I love it. Obviously I'm gonna separate them a little bit more because, you know, they look literally like twists that just came out. But so far I'm very happy with how they look right now, and I'm going to gently separate them because of course I picked the week to do this style when it's pouring rain every single day. So that means that my hair may get frizzy when I go outside. So I just wanna like leave as much definition as possible and just allow it to expand as the days go on this week. So I'm just gonna gently separate the curls. Not too much though. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to get my hair frizzy, but yes. All right, great. Wow, I love it. I love it. Okay, this is what I envisioned, and so I'm happy that it came out the way that I envisioned. And I didn't want to do too much with the ends because I didn't want it to look like too perfect, but it looks great. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This actually might be my look for the next few weeks. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I like keep looking at the monitor right there so that I can like see my reflection, but anyways. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let me get up a little bit closer so you can see a little bit more just how defined the curls are, like no joke. I love it so much. Really, really, really beautiful. Of course I would do this on a rainy week. I'm so mad at myself for that, but it's all right. You know, I experimented. So just in case it didn't come out good, at least it was a rainy week. So like no one would really see it. So I'm gonna put just a little bit more oil, just like on the top. And so it's like super shiny and moisturized. All right, I love it. All right, I guess I can like, you know, just so it has a little bit of life and isn't so perfect, but I love it so much. So this is the look. This is my new blown out twist out, and I feel that it came out this way and it's so elongated because that Dyson Airstrait, when I tell you that's the best blow dryer I've ever used on my natural hair, like it really does get my hair as straight as possible. I feel like if I took even more time with it, like really just like, and my arms weren't so tired, I probably could have got my hair much straighter, but I feel like this is totally fine. I still obviously want like some body with the, you know, with the waves and stuff like that. So it's fine that it's not super flat. And I love how it came out. Like it looks so good. I'm obsessed. So that's the look. Oh, let me do a spin. Hopefully I was able to like comb out all the separations, but let me do a spin. Let me show you the back so you can see it. Let me stand up a little bit so you can get a better look. All right, I hope it looks nice. I hope it's not like too separated in the back. I'm gonna keep playing around with it. That is the full look. And as I said earlier in the video, I do want to make a PSA that if you love my hair videos and you only clicked on it because it was a hair video, please, please, please check out my other content on YouTube. I have so many different videos. I've been posting weekly for a very long time now, and I haven't been getting the same love as I used to. And I know it's because everyone is so used to me just posting hair videos here. But like I said, I am so much more than hair, and I would love your support, and I would love for you to just watch my content. I promise you, you will love what I have to share and enjoy the things that I have to share. And if you have any suggestions of other types of content you want to see from me that is not hair related, please let me know what you're interested in, and I will continue to do my best to make sure that I'm incorporating that. So thank you so much again for watching. I just caught a glance of myself and I'm like, oh, she looked good. Thank you so much again for watching. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave it in the comments section below. I reply to all of my comments as long as they're appropriate, so feel free to reach out to me. And with that, until next time.